guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new and wondering who am I am Nimisha and I create videos anything and everything related to lifestyle, such as I give product reviews, health tips, beauty tips, some interesting recipes and much more. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. In my today's video, I am going to review two products, that is a shampoo and a conditioner from a brand called Herbal Essence. I am a person who do not use the same shampoo and conditioner for a very long time. I keep switching and changing from different brands, and I also love to try out the ones which are new in the market. So this time I thought to give it a try to the Herbal Essence BioRenew range of shampoo. I have used Herbal Essence Honey range way long back and I was very happy with the brand. So there was this Great Indian Festival sale going on in Amazon, and I got the shampoo and conditioner for just 800 rupees. So I thought I'll just give it a try. So in my today's video, I am going to review these two products for you. So first let us talk about the shampoo. So I have chosen the Herbal Essence Clean White Strawberry and Sweet Mint variant. There are different variants available in this. So talking about the packaging, this comes in a plastic transparent bottle. Since it is transparent, you will get to know the contents is getting over. I am a person who always run out of shampoo and never realize that I am going to run out of the shampoo. So this time I will get to know as it's a transparent bottle. Now let me read out what is written here. It says it has 0% colorants, glutens and silicones, and it is crafted with BioRenew. It also contains antioxidant aloe and sea kelp. So let me tell you the benefits of these three ingredients which is present in this shampoo is that they help remove the free radicals which is deposited on your scalp and helps your hair revive. And the main ingredients which is present in this is white strawberry and sweet mint. Let me also tell you the benefits of having these two ingredients in a shampoo. So talking about the strawberry is a fruit which has 95% of water, so it helps in hydration of your hair. And also strawberry helps to give shine, and it promotes hair growth, and also it helps remove dandruff and also reduces hair fall. And talking about the mint, mint is rich in antioxidant and carotenes. They also have antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and they also help in getting rid of dandruff. Now talking about the other ingredients, mainly it has histidines, which histidines help protect your hair from external damage. And this shampoo also tells that you can have a result of soft, free flowing hair, and this shampoo is free from silicones, pH balanced and safe for color treated hair. So this is all what it claims and about the ingredients. Now let me tell my personal experience using this shampoo. The first thing what you notice when you open the bottle is the fragrance or the scent. So this shampoo has the fragrance of strawberries. So people who love strawberry fragrance or scent will definitely love this shampoo. And also the fragrance or the scent stays on your hair for 2 to 3 days after your hair wash. Now let me share my personal experience using this one. I personally have dry and frizzy hair. After using this shampoo, I have definitely felt that my hair has become much more healthier, and it also has left my hair very smooth and silky. And I am a person who use shampoo after oiling my hair, so it has definitely helped remove that oil from the scalp, but in this process it has not left the ends of my hair very dry and unhealthy. So I am really happy because of this reason, because the previous shampoos which I have used have definitely removed the oil from the scalp but has really made my ends look very unhealthy. So I am definitely very happy with this product. And another thing which I want to tell is you need very little amount of shampoo because it lathers very well. People who have dry and frizzy hair should definitely give this a try. And also people who style their hair very frequently, like who use different treatments, should definitely try this shampoo because it really helps in providing hydration to your hair and also leaves your hair very soft and smooth. So I am definitely very happy and very glad that I chose this shampoo. So definitely give it a try, and also let me know in the comments if you give it a try or if you have already used this shampoo. I would definitely love to read your comments. Now let us talk about the conditioner. So the packaging of the conditioner is also plastic bottle, but definitely not a transparent one. It comes in a pink bottle. This also tells the same thing as that of the shampoo, so I'm not going to read out the contents again. So talking about this conditioner and my personal experience using this, I usually always use conditioner after using shampoo, because I have always felt that just using shampoo really dries out your hair. But in this case, I have shampooed twice without using the conditioner. The shampoo has done excellent work without a conditioner. But also, if you use this conditioner, it will give you that extra softness and extra shine to your hair. So I'm also loving this conditioner just like the shampoo. One thing what I want to tell you is that you need a very little amount of conditioner, and it really spreads out through all the strands very well, and you do not have to apply extra effort to remove the conditioner from your hair. Like, washing process is really very easy. Do give it a try. This conditioner is also good if just you are a person who is looking for just for conditioner, and you need a conditioner which really helps your hair look very softer and smoother. Give this one a try. I feel personally that people who have dry and frizzy hair should definitely give try to this shampoo and conditioner, because it has really worked wonders on my hair. It would definitely do wonders to your hair too. This shampoo and conditioner is available on different sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa. You can purchase from any of them. I purchased this shampoo for 800 rupees as the Great Indian Sale was going on Amazon. Actually, the shampoo retails for 600 rupees and conditioner retails for 650 rupees. But there are different offers on different sites, so it's okay. You can get different offers too. I hope you all enjoyed my today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. If you give this shampoo and conditioner a try, or if you have already used it, please do mention them in the comments. I would definitely love to read your comments. And to stay more connected, do follow me on my Instagram page, that is at Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. That's all for today. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.